What does bitrate mean? If you just go up to ChatGPT or Wikipedia, you can find the answer. Yes, you can exit the video now. Bitrate is the amount of data transmitted or proceeded in a given period of time. It's commonly measured in bits per second, bps, and it's used in a variety of applications including telecommunications, computing, and digital media. Now, more specifically into videos. In the context of video, bitrate is an important factor of the video quality. The measurement is usually kbps or kilobits per second. Now, is it a no-brainer just to set the bitrate to maximum? Nope. Setting the bitrate to the maximum is a really bad idea since a video is made up of pictures or frames. The video you're watching right now is 30 frames per second or 30 fps. If we assume that each frame is 5 megabytes and if this video is 5 minutes long, then the video would be 5 times 60 times 30 times 5 equals 45,000 megabytes big, which is 45 gigabytes for a 5 minutes video. If you set the bitrate too low, you will get a video with very low quality. And as the bitrate gets higher, the quality of the video usually gets higher, but the view quality of the video has a top limit, and you can't really tell the difference after the bitrate gets too high. Another important fact to consider is that the file size of the video will get bigger as the bitrate increases, whether it's the video or the audio. Then what's the effects of bitrates on the video size? Let's take a look. As you can see that if the bitrate of the video is too low, then there will be multiple problems, but as the bitrate of the video gets higher, quality of the video will get better, but if it's too high, you can't really tell the difference. Assume that a video has the same resolution and the same encoding format. The higher the bitrate, the higher the quality. If the resolution gets bigger, we need a bigger bitrate, so the video is clear. There are two major ways to control bitrates, CBR and VBR. CBR also stands for consistent bitrate. It means that the bitrate of every second is the same. VBR stands for variable bitrate. It means that the encoder will change the bitrate according to the busyness. If the video is usually motionless, you would choose CBR, and if there's a lot of motion, you would choose VBR. Now, what bitrate should you choose? This is what I usually put, but it really depends on how much storage you have, what type of video are you making, and what platform you're uploading to. For example, YouTube says this. Alright, thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed it, I know you probably did not, but still give a video a thumbs up so that I know the video is really bad. But if you have any questions, make sure to comment. I'll try my best to answer all of them, and peace out.